Honorable Advisor to the Honorable Prime Minister on Private Sector Industry and Investment, His Excellency Salman F. Rahman, MP, Mr. Muhammad Shirajul Islam, Executive Chairman, BIDA, Mr. Abu Hana Muhammad Rahmatul Munim, Chairman, NBR, Ambassadors of Sweden, Denmark, and Norway to Bangladesh, President and members of NCCI. Very good morning from Stockholm. I am very happy to join this launching event of Bangladesh Investment Booklet 2021 for particularly aimed for Nordic investors. I'd like to express my deep appreciation and a special thanks to NCCI for this wonderful initiative. Thanks also for inviting me on this very special occasion. Bangladesh is one of the fastest growing economies of South Asia and has made remarkable progress in reducing poverty and improving social indicators. Under the visionary leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, our per capita income almost tripled over the last 12 years, and we have an impressive foreign currency reserve, the second highest in South Asia. Our achievement in women empowerment is simply outstanding. In gender equality, our ranking is 47 among the committee of 144 nations, the highest in South Asian countries. As a responsible member of global community, Bangladesh continues to share and promote the value of peace, human rights, inclusiveness, and tolerance. We strongly oppose and fight all ideas that nurture any kind of extremism. We also deplore any exclusion or discrimination against any people based on ethnicity or religion or anything else. Our father of the nations dreams of Sonar Bangla, a secular, democratic, prosperous, and stable Bangladesh is being realized under the dynamic and pragmatic leadership of Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina. The people and government of all Nordic countries not only extended their support during our War of Liberation in 1971, not only they recognized us immediately after our independence, they also stood us in terms of supporting our war-ravaged economy. While they still remains long-term development partners of Bangladesh, I am happy to mention that an increasing trade and investment partnership has now taken the front seat in our bilateral relation. Although we have so far received decent investment from Nordic countries, there exists immense potentials to enhance and improve our trade and investment relations with Nordic countries. We'll be celebrating 50 years of our diplomatic relations with the Nordic countries in 2022. Taking this opportunity, I'm expressing my sincere thanks to our Nordic friends for their wholehearted support all these years. We need to continue to work together to heighten up our trade and business to mark this milestone of our relation. We have been receiving reports that some Nordic countries are relocating their factories from China to Indonesia and Vietnam. We all need to work together to find some ways to attract them to come to Bangladesh. Finally, I would like to add that Bangladesh Investment Booklet 2021 is a very praiseworthy and timely initiative by NCCI in collaboration with the Nordic embassies of Dhaka of Denmark, Norway, and Sweden. This booklet definitely helped the present and future potential investor to know our investment environment, laws and regulations, overall business and investment scenario. I again would like to thank NCCI and other associates to publish this booklet. We would like to upload the booklet in our website and also would like to share it with the local business authorities, with the business chambers and the business councils. I'll be very happy if you arrange to share it with us once it is ready. I wish the publication a great success. Thank you again.